Fair enough. Melina.
No, umpiring.
Oh, I think Fairchild. Chad is actually. I heard him announce it. He's catching her. He's umpiring. Oh, well, he's umpiring out there somewhere. My mom's trainer, his brother's an umpire, so.
His what?
Her trainer, his brother is an umpire.
Oh, really?
Yeah. He just started last year. He was a rookie last year. He was right in the middle of everything, like bizarre. Any Rays game he did, middle of controversy, every single call. It's weird.